quick video showing how to change the lenses in the TUSA Intega. So first step, just pull back the silicone at the back of the skirt and you'll see a little tab. Push the tab with a TUSA tool or a blunt instrument, pop the centrepiece out, simply push the lenses out side to side like so, and then the lenses will just pop out. Just gently peel them back off the silicone like that, and same with the other lens. Replace with the optical lens, just sit straight in the little indent there in the recess, and same with the other side. Make sure you have them sealed in properly, and then to replace, simply locate the tab and twist, and you should feel it pop in like so. And then the other side, put that back in. Okay, and that's all located, that's all clipped in. And then last step, just replace the center clip, popped it like that, and there we are, you're ready to go.